What's up, YouTube? T-Bird here, back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to tie-dye a t-shirt. So placed in front of me, I have some RIT dye. Let me just turn my camera around so you guys can see this. Have some RIT dye placed in front of me. We have coral. We're gonna do super pink, and we're gonna do a third color. Let's pick yellow. So we're gonna do these three colors for this video. For the next video, I might do a hoodie, so we'll probably do something with one of those colors. Make sure you guys sub up to the channel so you won't miss that as well. I have rubber bands, I have Ugga over there, you know, go dogs, and I have my baking sheet, and literally just a trash bag that I have taped down to my table so the dye don't mess up my table. I have some gloves somewhere around here as well, but what I am about to do, I am about to go to the bathroom, fill these up with warm water, and while I do that, I want you guys to please sub up to the channel, okay? So I'm gonna go do this, you sub up to the channel, and we should meet each other back here at the same time. All right, I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're here at the table all set up. I have my shirt is wet, really, like, you know, wet and damp. I have my tools filled up with hot water here, and I'm going to do, for this t-shirt, I'm going to do the swirl technique, and you can start your swirl anywhere that you want to. I personally like it, just start in the middle. A lot of people pinch and then twist, but I don't know why I don't do that. I always use this box cutter, and I will start in the middle and then I will just twist it. Using this box cutter has just always been faster for me. And as you get that good spiral, just kind of wrap it. You can just wrap your hands around it. Keep going in that spiral motion with the shirt. Just like so. And after you have it how you want to, you remove that. And then you can rubber band it. So I'm going to go ahead and start rubber banding. I'm going to start by going across the shirt first. Let me get like a good nice rubber band. Okay, so I'm gonna start by going across the shirt first with the rubber band. This is very easy, very quick. So, middle, going straight across. After that, you take another rubber band. You're gonna go across it in the middle. Just like this. Now you have it cross right in the middle, and then you're gonna do both sides diagonal. There's one side, get this nice and tight. And we got this side to do. I'm kind of nervous about this super pink because as I look more and more at the bottle, it kind of looks purple to me. So I guess that's the throw off for me. But we're gonna find out together, okay? Make sure I have that. So now you should have about 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 8 sides. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this dye as well. So we're gonna start off with the yellow. I have big clumsy hands, especially when I have gloves on, so I have to be pretty careful with this. Let me just scoop my shirt out the way because I know how I am. I know myself, but I also want you guys to see. So I'm gonna be very careful with this. I usually pour like a tablespoon. That's good. That's good. Slow and steady. I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna put the cap on, and I'm gonna just give it a good, nice shake. Mix that dye in the water in really good. All right, so there's the yellow. Okay, so I'm starting to realize that the dye is actually looking like this color right here. So that's why I'm kind of nervous about the super pink, because that color where the super pink is like purple. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna try to be just as careful pouring it. Okay, super pink. Yep, it's looking, yep, just like that color. Twist that on real good. Give it a good shake, mix it in. Okay, last but not least, what other color did I say I was gonna do? Coral. Okie dokie. Now we're ready to start dyeing. Give this a nice shake as well. Now, let's get the tie-dye. I'm just start off with the yellow. Starting this out with the yellow, and I'm gonna just do 2 sections. And you want to make sure that when you do this dye, you do get inside these little folds. Get a lot of these like little white areas. It's gonna be in here. So I want to make sure I get that in really well. You don't want to do too much because you want to save for the back as well. Then, next to the yellow, I will start the coral. Looks a lot like red. Okay, now hit it with the super pink or the super yellow. I mean the super purple. Not gonna forget about these little folds. They be hiding these white marks. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over, and this is where your baking sheet comes into play, because it will catch the dye that's going to leak from the front of the shirt. Let me fix on my bands so I can make sure I do all these the same color. Okay, so we have yellow on this end, and then we had our coral. Time for our super pink. This shirt's gonna come out nice, I can already tell. And now we're gonna let it wait for 30 minutes so that we can add our color stay dye fixative, so that the color will basically last in the shirt as it goes through multiple wash cycles and things like that, you know, just owning the shirt. So we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then add the color stay. Now that this has sat for 30 minutes, we are going to add our color stay. And I'm going to add this right over the shirt, because since I'm clumsy, if I miss, it doesn't matter. It's gonna fall right on the shirt. It's a win-win for me. I add around the same amount, like a tablespoon. Shake this up. And then you're just gonna apply this all over the shirt. After you've done that, it is time to microwave. So now you wanna get you some plastic wrap. And you wanna wrap this up. You wanna wrap your shirt up. Oh my God, look, at the end I cut my cut my glove. Now you're gonna put this in the microwave for we'll put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So let's go do that. Before you put your shirt in the microwave, make sure you put it on a paper towel so a paper towel can catch that excess dye that's gonna be in there. So now you wanna close this up and we're gonna put it on 2 minutes. Okay. Look how hot that is. All right, so now it's time to take it to the bathroom so we can rinse it out with cold water. So we just made it to the bathroom and we are going to rinse this with cold water. I want to set my, oh my God, that's so hot. I'm gonna set my camera up so you guys can see real quick. I'm going to rinse this out good with cold water. This shirt is hot, oh my God. But rinse this out good with cold water. And then after you rinse this out, you want to push this, put this in the washer. Make sure you remove all the rubber bands. You're gonna put this in the washer with an old rag or old towel. And that way the towel can get some of that dye so it don't bleed to your white areas. So I'm gonna rinse this out really good. Put this in the washer, and I actually think it's a hot day outside, so I'm gonna air dry it. And then from there, you guys should see the finishing results. So I did wash my shirt and I brought it outside just so it can air dry in the sun. I'm gonna walk over here, get a closer look so you guys can see. Yeah, it's completely dry now, it feels like. And that thing looks beautiful. What you guys think about that? This is the back. Show you guys the front of it. I can flip this around with one hand. Here's the front. Had that nice spiral effect on it. If you guys like that, please put a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, comment and tell me what you guys think about this shirt. Next video I'll probably do a hoodie. Hopefully get started on that tomorrow. So if you guys want to see that, please stick around. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.